Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set countdown on story. So it's very simple. You just have to swipe the screen and just click on the photos or just post any photo. So I'm going to click. So now you just have to go to the smile square button and just click on that. So here is the countdown options. So click on this. So, for example, your friend's birthday is tomorrow, so just set the time or date, Jan 24. Yeah. So, if you want to keep it all day, you just have to turn on, off, or not. You just have to turn it off. So, in this way, you just can set countdown on your story. Thanks for watching the video, and please follow for more contents. Thank you.